How to fix Facebook connection loss problem. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are constantly seeing the annoying connection lost error on Facebook, don't worry. I have got a few quick fixes to help you out. This error usually happens due to poor network connection or app glitches. Here's how you can fix it. First, check your Wi-Fi or mobile data or switch between them to see if the connection improves. If your internet is fine, try clearing Facebook app cache. Head to your phone settings and find Facebook and clear the cache to remove any temporary file causing the issue. Lastly, make sure your Facebook app is updated. If it's still not working, you can go to your App Store or Google Play Store and check if there are any updates available. If it's still not working, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to reset any bugs. And that's it. These simple steps should help you fix the connection loss problem on Facebook. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.